Now here's a walk we haven't done for some time. Good morning. We're at the Riverwalk at Threlkeld. I haven't been down here for a long time. I don't even know if Dougie's actually done this walk. That's just mainly because it has been so wet. And it does tend to get rather muddy. Isn't it, Bear? Well, I can't not mention the weekend, can I? It has been a roller coaster of emotions this weekend. And I wouldn't have got by without the people on Saturday who turned up to give generously to the Great North Air Ambulance and also to Bravehound. I think we haven't fully counted the money yet for Bravehound, but for GNAS we have raised over £4,200, and I'm thinking we've probably got about £1,700 for Bravehound. That weekend would not have worked without the volunteers who came along and smiled all day, directed traffic, helped people, assisted people, talked to people, bought ice creams. What a fabulous day. The weather was just superb. You will never see Buttermere better than on that day. It was just perfect. A lot of tired dogs, probably a lot of tired people, and I know some had a few issues on the way home. We got stuck behind a tractor ride out, would you believe? There's 7 tractors that decided to travel around Buttermere and over Honister back down towards Keswick. So it took us about 45 minutes to get back from the top of Honister, which was great fun. Sorry, Bear. I think this gate's in better days. It seems to be rather damaged. Bear with, as they say. Paddy, there's no breakfast there, mate. That's just grass. So a huge thank you to everyone who made the effort to come up and join us and bought tickets or volunteered, came up to me, gave me a big hug. Some of you made me cry. I made some of you cry. I also want to say thank you to Lee for coming along and being so open and honest and talking to the audience. It was just the best day. And as for yesterday, the messages, the outpouring of love for our boy Max, and he was our boy. We shared him with thousands. And I knew from the day I met him he was special. They do say that dogs speak to those that listen. Well, I used to listen to Max all the time. No, Paddy, we're not going for a swim. Come on. We're just having a walk. Look at this frost. 0 degrees here this morning. And yet, look at what we've got. Beautiful Glen Catherine. So I did meet up with some friends yesterday. And then I decided that it was far too busy around the lakes. So I took myself over to the coast where I just decided it was a beautiful day. The tide was just on the turn, so we had to walk out probably half a mile. If you've never been to Allenby, there's a great beach and there's a very famous ice cream shop there called Twentyman's. Unfortunately, I didn't get an ice cream yesterday because the queue was too big, but a lot of people out enjoying themselves. And I walked right out to the tide line with the boys. Paddy was rather confused because the tide was well out yesterday when we were there, and he couldn't actually, when I said go and wash your paws, half a mile run to wash your paws was quite a lot. Anyway, we got to the water and decided, do you know what, I'm just going to walk right in at the short sun. Don't think my trainers will ever be the same, but what the heck. And called Dougie, and there you go, the rest is history. Made my day. It was probably just what I needed to finish the day off. So like I said, you can surround yourself with people but still feel quite lonely. And yesterday, I just needed that little bit of time to process things in my head about what's gone in the past, what we've done, how Max helped me and others. And it was just nice to reflect on that. And I think when we got home last night, the dogs had a great big dinner. And I sat on the sofa. And Dougie got up beside me and put his head on my knee and just looked at me and fell asleep. And the other dogs were there snoring away, all happy, doing the Springer sprawl, flat on the backs, legs up in the air, showing the bits off to the world. And I just thought, how lucky am I? Hey bear. Pads. Hey. Beautiful bear. So what a weekend. I went to bed and then lay there most of the night thinking about the past, but also thinking towards the future and what we can achieve, what we can do to help others. Dougie, what are you eating, please? Hey, you may be a professional swimmer, but you know, even professional swimmers get told off. So hopefully by the end of this week we'll have something arranged for our walk in Southport. It will be a Saturday that we're doing it on. We just need to confirm where and when and how. It will not be a ticketed walk. It will be a turn up, and if you'd like to donate, we will be doing it for, I believe there's a counselling therapy charity being set up to help the people affected of the Southport attacks. There is the biggest hare running across the field here. Probably can't see it. Massive hare, and there's also a goose. Hello, goose. Oh, I can't zoom out now. Oh dear. It's all gone pear-shaped. Hang on. There we go. That's better. There we go. Come on, let's go. Dougie, stop eating grass. You too. Stop teaching him how to eat grass. So that's the plan for May. And then tickets will soon be available to join our walk in memory of Emily from the 21st of June. That too will be around Buttermere. Now, if you've walked around Buttermere this weekend, it has been just incredible. The views, everything. We will be putting some pictures up later on the website. Penny that works for me, her sister Holly, very kindly took some pictures. So we'll get them up on the website for you, so you can see if you can spot yourself. What a beautiful morning. Here's a little fact. So the other day we were at Manistee and we were walking out of Manistee. There was 2 hares on the road which was filmed. It's about a 10-second video, you may have seen it. And I think I put on it, always look back. That little snippet of video has had over 2 million views. Could you believe? 2 million views. It's quite incredible, really. That's the power of dogs. Isn't it, Tank? Of course, it was also Tank's birthday, which he kind of gets overlooked because there was so much going on. But he spent the day with his siblings, probably attacking each other most of the day, to be fair, as siblings do. But I will say, Tally has already started to change colour. He's going blonde already, just in this last couple of weeks of sunshine that we've had. So's Bear. His little ears are going so blonde. Look at the mouses there off, look. Excuse me, where do you think you're going? Good boy. Little lambs in the field. Dougie's like, what's that? It's a small dog. Hey, Rugs, good boy. Hey, yes. Someone was swimming. Who was swimming? Excuse me? Where do you think you're... Well, you can go and wash your paws. Go on. You can go. Go on. Harry, wash your paws. Wash your paws. Go on. Let's go. Might as well. Oh, Tally. 0 degrees, really? Come on. That's your paws washed. We'll go up to the end of the gate here. And we're going to turn around. What a view, isn't it, eh? Not bad. Rugby club's just through the trees there on the other side of the river. Rugby club's gone under, there's a new steward in the rugby club now, so there's a different menu, I believe. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go, boys. So I don't know if you're going to get salad and scampi anymore, I'm not sure. I think so. So this, the Riverwalk as we call it here, it does link up with the railway line. So if you do the Keswick railway line and walk into Threlkeld and then cross the road, which is the A66, so be very careful on that one. And then just by the cricket club you'll see a little track that leads down towards the river. Actually takes you up onto the coach road, which we've done before. And then just walk past Bridgend and hey presto, you're on the Riverwalk. Does get quite a few people on it, but generally in the morning it's nice and quiet. Quite relaxing way to start a week. Isn't it, Bear? I think all Paddy wants to do at the moment now is just get into the water. Dougie, let's go. Let's not eat that, thank you. What you got, Bear? Come here. What have you got? Oh, you found a stick. What a surprise. And now you've lost it. Tank, Tally, drop it. Give it back to Max, come on. Now, Lee. Tally doesn't understand sharing. Now, hey. Oh, I'll give up. Leave it. Tank. Come on. Tally got the stick then. I think we've got this weather till Saturday. No, Monday. I think it's Monday it's going to rain. It's just been incredible. It's quite nice thinking, well, we'll just do that tomorrow because it's going to be nice tomorrow. Instead of rushing around getting things done so you can make the most of a couple of hours of sunshine. The mornings are cold and chilly. The wind's been a bit cold too, but hey. Leave it. Thank you. Yeah, you can leave it too. We're all nosing now. Come on. Harry, you've got something in your hair, mate. You've got frosty ears. Look at you. Come on, let's go. Farmer's out feeding his sheep. Come on then. Good boys. Dougie, I don't know what you're eating, but just drop it, please. Come on, Harry. Boys aren't even interested in the sheep or the lambs, and that's the way they should be. Come on, let's go. Also want to say a massive thank you to Poot and Mud, who sadly couldn't be at Buttermere this time, but did send us lots of treats. We had a bit of a mixture of treats this time. So we had meaty treats, we had barbecue beef jerky, and also bionic tonic, which is to help dodgy tummies, isn't it? Hello, Harry. This isn't you. What's up? Is it your turn? I was lying in bed last night thinking about how Harry used to look after Max. And it honestly used to break my heart to see how caring Harry was. Or is, to be fair, he still is. He used to curl up beside Max and let Max lie on top of him and literally clean his face every day. He'd walk up and lick his face. Dogs are just fantastic. I had that one photograph, you've probably all seen it, where Max is leaning, they're both sitting on the grass, and Max is leaning into Harry. And Harry's just standing there letting him lean, supporting him. And that was why when we had the statue commissioned, we put Paddy and Harry's names on the legs of the statue, because they'd supported Max right the way through and will continue to do so. Didn't actually tell the council about that, but never mind. The other thing I'd like to mention is that big thank you to Christine and the team at Hope Park. If you are in Hope Park, you'll see a massive display of orange tulips in memory of Max. And also, just beyond the statue, you'll see there's some new handrails being placed. And that, the money from which has been donated through the statue to pay for those. And that wood was reclaimed from a tree that was blown down in Fitz Park, and then machined by a very nice chap called Sebastian and turned into a very nice set of handrails on the bridge. Dougie's seen a plastic bag on the side of the river and is now growling at it. The hackles are up, the puffer fish is off. What is it, Dougie? Hey, what is it? It reminds me like a little meerkat. Puffs himself up and prances about because he's seen a crisp packet or something. Dougie, stop eating grass. Look at them. What a great team, eh? Hello, H. Good boy. Come on. See, there's not very much water in the river. It just shows how much rain we haven't had. Right, we've got some dogs coming, so I'm going to put the boys on leads. Come on, let's go. And I'm going to say, I hope you have the best day ever. Come on, dogs. Come on. And hope to see you soon. Take care, everybody. And bye for now.